We're here today to talk a little bit about our workshop series. And we started this by reflecting a little bit on the comments we've heard from students that all three of us have worked with. Rashmi, what have you been hearing?
Often students find that the content in science and math exams looks familiar. However, they are not able to synthesize or apply what they have learned in order to respond to the questions effectively. In many ways, it almost comes down to reading a question in the way it is designed.
And then usually after the surprise of, I thought I was prepared, however, it didn't work out quite as I thought it would, comes the point of evaluating where you are with the coursework and how much you actually know as opposed to what you thought you knew. It's more about a deeper understanding as opposed to just memorizing and having a surface understanding of how you need to prepare for an exam.
Sure. I know sometimes students will say to me, I've already had this material in high school, so I thought I knew it well. But then when I came to Penn, the expectations were so much higher than what I was experiencing in high school. So part of it is also understanding the expectations that Penn faculty have.
It is helpful to understand the flow of knowledge and information in STEM coursework. We typically move upwards from knowing the aspect of what to understanding the domains of how and why. Transitioning from middle and high school to university level coursework, the students are naturally immersed more in exploring the why and how of knowledge. For example, students are asked to wonder why alkanes act in a certain way and how it differs from the way alkenes will act in a reaction.
One of our goals in putting together this set of workshops is to help students to think about their exams a little differently. When you are taking the exam, there's a sense of tension and a focus on just getting through the exam. The reason we call our series Unpack and Prepare is we'd like students to look over previous exams and think about them from the perspective of the professor who's putting the exam together, what level of thinking is expected from each question, and also how to use different apps and technology tools to help you think, to prepare, and to study for the exam. So there are 4 tools that we plan to highlight, and they're listed on the website. And we'll be going through each of these tools in some detail. And I think all 3 of us have had good success with the 4 tools we've decided to focus on for the series.
We demonstrate how these apps can be used to synthesize, apply, and analyze course content for answering the how and why kinds of questions. We share illustrative examples from various subjects.
We also plan to include some tutors. Donna, do you want to talk about the role of the tutors?
Sure. If you find at some point during the semester that you need some additional assistance with the course content, you can go to the Tutoring Center website to get a full description of the services offered by the center. Tutors are there to help you understand the coursework, help you navigate through preparation. That's what this workshop is designed to do, is to help you have a better focus on how to prepare for exams.
So we encourage you to register and come and join us soon.